Hi, there's a lot of drones out there in the market at the moment now because the drones is becoming a really popular hobby, and for beginners who want to get into the hobby, I do believe there's one drone that's still worthy of a beginner drone, and it's the DJI Mavic Air, which has been out for about 3 years now, or nearly 4. So this is it here. So it's the Mavic Air. So this is a really good drone for a beginner. Obviously you've got like the DJI Mini and the Mini 2 and the Mini SE, but if you're new to drones, I do believe that this is a good drone to start off with in this exciting hobby. So I'm going to give you the 5 best things I like about the Mavic Air and why it should be your first drone. So let's get into the video. Hi, so welcome back to BKM Tech and Gadgets. So in this video I'm going to go through the 5 best things I like about this drone, the Mavic Air. So I believe that this drone should be your first drone if you're new to the drone hobby. I know there's a lot of people out there that are interested in drones and they want to get into the hobby. So the Mavic Air is a really good drone for a new beginner. You know, it's small in size. The DJI don't produce this drone anymore, but you can get it cheap on some websites like eBay or Amazon. So the first thing I'm going to go through now with the 5 best things is the size. So the size of this drone is really small. So this is it here. So as you can see, it's a really small drone. I put it in the palm of my hand there. It's really small and compact when it's folded up, with all the propellers folded up there. So that's the size of the drone. That's with 2 hands, and that's the back of it there. So like I said, it's a really small compact drone that you can put into a backpack if you're traveling, and it's really compact. So I'll just open up the propellers. So just unfold it like that. Even when it's unfolded, it's still really small. So that's it there, unfolded there. So as you can see, it's a really small drone. So because it's so small as well, you know, you can get it in tight spaces, you know, when you're flying it, and obviously it's got obstacle avoidance on it as well, so it's going to stop it from crashing or whatever in any trees. So that's what I like. So it's the size, it's compact, and it's very travelable. Put into a rucksack if you're, or a backpack if you're traveling about trying to get some really good shots. So the second best feature I like about this drone is, well, it is the picture and video quality. So the picture quality, when you're taking pictures, it has a 12 megapixel camera on the front there. So you're going to get some clear and sharp pictures on this drone. The picture quality is really good on this drone. Also the video quality on this drone, so you've got your 1080p, which is really good, full HD as well, so you're going to get smooth video. Also it records in 2.7K, so that's a bit better than 1080p, and also films in 4K as well. So, and it does film in 4K at 60 frames per second. Also it does slow motion as well at 120 frames per second, so you can get that really smooth slow motion video with this drone. So, you know, you're going to get some really good video and some really good pictures taken by this drone as well. So the third best thing I like about this drone as well, especially if you're a beginner, so you've got all the quick shots as well. So they're automatic shots that you can take with the drone as well. So you don't have to worry about anything. You just set it up through the app, the DJI Go 4 app, which you can download from the App Store or the iOS Store. So if you're a beginner and you want to get some really good shots, you've got the quick shot section where you've got Dronie, Helix, Boomerang, and a few other quick shots as well. You've got Circle as well, which is a really good shot. So if you're a beginner and you're just learning to use the control with the remote, you know, using the sticks, you can just set this into an automatic state. And then you'll be able to get some really good shots with the drone regarding these quick shots, which do it automatically as well. So, but after a while, once you do get a lot better using the drone, it is good to try and do these cinematic shots manually. But if you want to get some quick shots, well, that's why it's called quick shots. So if you want to capture something straight away, just go into the quick shot section and then choose whichever shot you would like to use to get that really good video shot. So the fourth best thing regarding this drone is the active track. So like I said, if you're a beginner drone and you want to film yourself either running, hiking or cycling or whatever, you can just go into the DJI Go 4 app and set the active track. So basically you just put a square round yourself and then click go, and that will track you as you're making your movements, whether you're cycling, hiking or whatever, or running, so you can get some really good shots. So the drone just goes into like an automatic mode where it just tracks you for how long you're doing your activity. So, you know, if you're new to the drone hobby, you know, and you want to get that kind of cinematic filming, then you can actually film yourself and the drone will just follow you and keep track of you all the time when you're doing your activities outside or whatever. So you've got that active track as well, which is really good, and most DJI drones have got that as well, which is integrated with the active track. So if you're enjoying this video so far, could you like and hit the subscribe button as well, because hitting the like button does help the algorithm through YouTube. That would be much appreciated. So the fifth best thing as well on here as well with this drone is the internal memory. So you've got like 8 gig storage built into the drone. So obviously the drone uses a micro SD card. So if you forget your SD card as well, you can use the internal storage that is stored on the drone, so you don't miss any footage while you're out. Obviously with the 8 gig storage, I would just record in like 1080, because if you're recording 4K, you'll soon use all that 8 gig storage, especially if you're doing a lot of filming that day as well. So that's another good thing with this drone. It's got the built-in 8 gig storage, so if you ever forget your SD card to put it in, you can still go out and record and capture some really good footage on this drone. So those are the 5 best things that I like about this drone. It's an easy drone to fly. Like I said, you can get it second hand or refurbished on like eBay and Amazon. So it's a really good drone for a beginner. I do know you've got the DJI Mini, the Mini 2 and the Mini SE. They are really good drones, you know, as well, but you know, the Mavic Air is still a good drone. It did come out in 2018. I still fly the drone. I still think it's a brilliant drone. You can get some really good pictures and video footage as well. I also have the Mavic Air 2, which is a brilliant drone. The Mavic Air, if you're just getting into the drone hobby and you just want a cheap drone, get to grips with flying a drone, this is a good choice. You know, instead of spending, I don't know, £300-400 or up to £500 for like the Mini or the Mini 2. You can buy the Mavic Air second hand. I've seen them on eBay for about $250. You know, so it is still a good drone to purchase and buy if you're new to the drone hobby. So don't forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button for my next videos that are coming up on this channel, BKM Tech and Gadgets. So hope to see you soon on my channel. Have a good day.